Common question. Can you text 999? What if you can't talk? What if you're scared to talk? This is how you can do it. Now, not many people know this, but I'm going to tell you how. The answer is yes, you can text 999. It first got set up though when people were deaf, hard of hearing, and that's when the service came about. But it's not just for people who are deaf. What if you can't talk? What if you're choking? What if you think you've had a stroke and if you can't physically get the words out? What if you are scared to talk? Maybe somebody's trying to break into your house, maybe domestic violence. This short video will help you how to text 999, and this is how we do it. So you need to get your phone, your mobile phone, and open it up. Okay, I'm sure you can all do that. You need to open up your text box as if you're going to send a normal text to somebody. You then need to type in the word register in the message box, REGESTER, and you want to send the word register to 999 and hit send. You will then receive a text message back stating that you have to now text the word yes in reply. And only once you've replied the word yes, Y-E-S, and hit send, only then is your mobile device now ready, set up, so that if you ever do need to text 999, then it is ready to go. So what would you say then? I'll give you a couple of examples in the comments below, but just one just now. Let's say I thought I was having a stroke and I can't physically talk. I would open up my chat box and I would type in what service I require. So I require an ambulance. So type in ambulance, A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E. And I also want to tell them, why do I need the ambulance? So I type the word stroke. I then need to tell them what address that I need them to come to. So type in the address where you are, then hit who you want to send it to. So it's 999, and then send. Your message has only been received once you receive a return text message stating that has got your text message and that they are sending emergency services. And that is how you text. One little quick more example. Let's say it was the police. Let's say you were scared. You thought somebody was breaking into your house. The last thing that you wanted to do was start talking because it could escalate things further. One more example then. So I'd open up my text box and I would type in the word police because that's the service that I require right now. I then need to text the word, why do I require them? So you could write in, suspect somebody breaking into house, yeah? And then the address of where the police need to come to. Once you have got that typed up, you send it to 999 and hit send. Then you'll receive that text message back stating that they have received it and stating that, fingers crossed, help is on the way. So that is how you can text 999. So below, again, is in written form, how to get your phone registered. This could be a life-saving piece of information that you have just received. I'm Sarah and I am owner, trainer of First Aid at Work, Aberdeen and Aberdeenshire, and Mini First Aid Aberdeen, making training fun, engaging, but most importantly, memorable. Keep safe, everybody.